Friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study. Today we're going to take up the spiritual life. Question number 1. Why does God leave the believer on earth after salvation? The answer is, you may have noticed that God did not take you to heaven after you have accepted Christ as Lord and Savior. Why didn't He? You are just as saved in that first instant as you ever will be. You are fully qualified. You possessed His perfect righteousness and were pronounced justified. So why the delay? Why are you left in the devil's world? The reason? God has a purpose for your life. He imputed His righteousness to you with a particular goal in mind. The ultimate objective is God's own pleasure and glory. But the immediate objective is your blessing. You are alive to be blessed. Indeed, both objectives are one. God is glorified by blessing you. Matthew 6:33. Question number 2. What is the Christian's responsibility? Well, the Christian's responsibility is for him to present the gospel to unbelievers. 2 Corinthians 5:20, Ephesians 6:20. God appointed all believers two divine warrants, namely that of a royal priest and that of a royal ambassador. These two warrants from God appoint us to the two highest offices anyone can hold in this life. Spiritual growth is always a function of the priesthood. As believer priests, we represent ourselves before God. As ambassadors, we represent God before man. The perception of doctrine is the primary responsibility of the royal priest. The application of doctrine is the primary responsibility of the royal ambassador.